How to upload photos in Google Drive and share link in mobile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your device. Then log into your account. Click on New, which is Other Files on bottom right. Click on that and click on Upload. Select the photo you want to add to Google Drive. After selecting it, it will be uploaded. Go to Files. As you can see, it is being uploaded. After it's uploaded, click on the three dots beside it. Then click on Manage Access, which is below Share. Click on Change and click on Anyone with a link. After updating it, go back or copy the link which is in the top right corner of your screen. Then click on plus button and share it with Gmail as well. Or simply copy link and send it to people you want to share it to. And that's how you upload photos in Google Drive and share link in mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.